Good morning, students. This is Financial Accounting Module 4. We are going to do two problems to prepare the trading and profit and loss account. So these two problems are without adjustments. Next module onwards, we will include the adjustments while doing the problems. So the first problem, prepare trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31/3/2022. First is capital 2,50,000. That's a credit balance. Opening stock as on 1/4/2021 1,25,000. Cash in hand 50,000. Purchases 1 lakh. Salaries 12,500. Sales 3,75,000. That's a credit balance. Rent 11,500. Insurance 6,500. Discount received, it's a credit balance 1,750. If it was discount paid, it will be a debit balance. So bills payable 25,000, bills receivable 15,000, debtors 88,500, creditors 92,000. These are all the items for balance sheet. In this module, we will prepare only up to profit and loss account. Carriage inwards 2,500, machinery 2 lakh, wages 1,32,250. Total of the statement 7,43,750. So closing stock is valued at 1,25,000. That's given outside the trial balance. So how will you prepare this? Trading and profit and loss account. You can give any name of Mr. A, B, C as on 31/3/2022 because we are preparing the financial accounts for one financial year. So this March 31st, 2022 is the closing date. So debit side to opening stock 1,25,000, to purchases 1 lakh, to carriage inwards 2,500, to wages 1,32,250. Now credit side you have to see by sales 3,75,000 and by closing stock 1,25,000. Now you have to see which side is higher. So if you can see that in the credit side total is 5 lakh, debit side total is less than that. So you will get the gross profit. Gross profit carried on, the difference 1,40,250. So that you will transfer to the credit side of the profit and loss account. So this, if debit side is higher and credit side is less, then you will get the gross loss. So that you will transfer to debit side of the profit and loss account. So it should be opposite. Next, continuing with the profit and loss account, to salaries 12,500, to rent 11,500, to insurance 6,500. Now, credit side by gross profit brought down 1,40,250. By discount received. Discount received, it's a credit side of the profit and loss account. It's an income 1,750. Now, here also you have to see which side is higher. So, you can see that credit side is higher. So, the total is 1,42,000. That you have to write on both sides. So, net profit, now you have to take the difference. Net profit transferred to capital account. That is 1,11,500. This profit we will transfer to capital account. If it's profit, we will add with capital account. If it's loss, we will subtract from capital. That is the adjustment. Now we will do the second problem. Prepare trading and profit and loss account of Mr. A as on 31/3/2022. Purchases 78,750. Sales credit balance 1,05,000. Returns inwards 3,000. Opening stock 65,000. Freight outwards 325. Carriage inwards 250. Salaries and wages 2,860. Rent and taxes 1,130. Traveling expenses 935. Discount 575. Commission 540. Cash at bank, this is a balance sheet item 33,235. Trade creditors 13,500. It will be in the balance sheet. Sundry creditors 21,900. That also balance sheet item. Capital 1 lakh. That is also balance sheet item. Drawings 10,000. That also we will adjust in the capital. We'll subtract from the capital when we are preparing the balance sheet. So total of the statement is 2,18,500. Now closing stock is given outside the trading balance, that trading account, that is 60,000. Now we will see the problem. Trading and profit and loss account of Mr. A as on 31/3/2022. Opening stock 65,000. To purchases 78,750. To carriage inwards 250. To gross profit carried on, that is the balancing figure, because you have to see which side is higher. So that is you are getting 18,000. Now if you see credit side, sales is there 1,05,000. Sales returns value is there 3,000. So you have to do that subtraction in the inner column. Take the final value to the outer column. That is 1,02,000. By closing stock 60,000. So total of the statement is 1,62,000. Here also credit side is higher. So you write the same total whichever is higher on both sides. So 1,62,000 you are writing on both sides and you are taking the difference. So gross profit is 18,000. Now to freight outwards 325. To salaries and wages 2,860. Here you have to remember that if it is wages, you will take it to trading account. If it's salaries and wages, it will come to profit and loss account. To rent and taxes 1,130. To traveling expenses 935. To discount, this is discount paid 575. It's an expense. Previous problem, it was discount received. It will come to credit side of the profit and loss account. To commission 540. So to net profit transferred to capital account 11,635. So here also you have to see that which side is higher. So credit side is 18,000. That is why you are getting net profit. So if debit side is higher, you will get net loss. Similarly, you have to remember that gross profit is transferred to profit and loss account. So when you are transferring, by gross profit brought down. Then you have to remember one more feature. Debit side, all the entries we will write as to. Credit side, we will write all the items as by. So this is the explanation for two simple problems to do the trading and profit and loss account. So the next module we will start with the balance sheet. Two modules will be there for the theory part. Then we will start with the problems. So this is what I want to explain with this module. Thank you.